Well, Moina is a little upset, or she pretends to be so. Maybe she's really not upset, and he wants the wedding to be fast as well. So now he has to work hard, really hard, to make her smile and everything to be all right again. মজা তো অনেক হয়েছে, এবারে মজা বোঝার পালা। ময়না গেছে রেগে, এদিকে বিয়ে তো করতেই হবে, গাঁট ছাড়া বাঁধার শর্ত তার 16 আনা। তাই অনেক কষ্টে ময়নাকে আবার মানাতে হবে যে ময়না তো চলছে ছলাৎ ছলাৎ, পিছন পানে চায় না, বুক ধুক বুক ধুক বুক করে। এবারে কি হয় দেখি। Don't forget to attend Moina's wedding. I'll let you know the time and venue. Moinar বিয়েতে অনেক 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 উপহার নিয়ে নিশ্চয়ই আসবেন, সবার নেমন্তন্ন রইল। Let me introduce our very talented artists this evening. Villagers Shormila Mitra, Shushmita Mitra, Shoumi Ghosh, Moushumi Shashikumar. Boatmen Shormila Mitro and Shushmita Mitro. Runner Moushumi Shashikumar. The role of the fiancée was played by Pooja Mitro, Reena Sarkar, Shampa Ghosh, Arpana Sarkar. Moina Shulagna Ghosh, Jaya Mishra, Sharbani Degwa, Mrs. Sumitra Sen. She is the director, choreographer. The storyline is hers. She's the heart and soul of this program. For the beautiful backdrop, we thank Sumitra Sen, Shatarupa Banerjee, Shunita Sarkar, Anuradha Nath, Shushmita Mitro. Makeup, Shormila Mitro and Sumitra Sen. For the costumes, we thank Mrs. Shupriya Sen, who is in India but arranged for the saris to be sent, and Mr. Pranab and Preetha Mitro for bringing them here. We thank Pooja Mitro and Moushumi Shashikumar for allowing the practices to be held in their place for a long, long time. And several other well-wishers. If we have missed anybody out, that was not intentional. We wish to thank every one of you.